So I've got two sets of I've got students and then staff. So here I was talking about staff. When I was looking at the student data, doing already you see at the bottom. But staff data is easily going to the web. This is the data. I was wondering what is going on. Yeah, so pie chart is telling us the data that we have highlighted here. Single among the staff, analysis, marriage, and the family, the whole will be the one. In total, sample size, how many are here? I'm going to get to repeat statistician. Not about the negative, mathematics. I'm going to add that. So 25 plus 7, which is the layer, 32 plus 2, plus 1, there's somewhere in 1, 35, right? Okay, so we go to the sample 45. We want to find out how many, or the percentage of the staff who were single. So, out of 35, how many were single? Among the staff? 7. Okay, so calculator, we use it. We do minus 7, divide by 45, right? Multiply by 100%. Those who want to find the percentage. It gives us 20. If you count pie chart, 20% your color is here. Blue, above is here. Single. 20% on the pie, and 20% in the amount of the money. So pie chart will do that. If you calculate percentage of married, which was 25 out of 25, then if you have the married out of 25, power in here. What's the power? On the pie chart, what is the power representing married? Orange. Divorced? Divorced is red. What's the percentage for divorced? 6%. For married, what's the percentage? 71. The last category is those that lost their wife or husband. We only have one. On the pie chart, what's the color for widow? Here, what percentage? 3. So, if you calculate 71 plus 6 plus 3 plus 20, what are you getting? If you calculate the percentages on the pie chart, 71 plus 6 is what? 71 plus 6, 77. Plus 3, 77 plus 3, 80 plus 20, 100. So pie chart, just like starch, starch butter, it gives you the percentage of the total, and then you share it among the categories of the variables. So if you are presenting data, you simply say, do not talk about a certain number of 35 where single. You just say 71% of the sample were married. So people are not very sure of it. So it was the same. For example, were married. That's a good thing because we are simply summarizing, isn't it? So pie chart is done in that way. And it's simple, as I've already said. You open your Excel, you just type in your data. Manage and give me information more yourself. application name. Then you highlight. You just highlight it like this. Then you go to insert. Then you go to symbol from a chart. That one is the pie chart. Then you select your pie chart. You click. It gives you the pie chart. This pie chart is going to be symbol in the marker. But if you want to add any more information, then you go to the addition tools. This is where you can select. You want to show percentage. You want to show frequency. So in our case, you can choose any. However, I chose the percentage. But you can also choose tablet just to show information in terms of descriptions. And that one is not so much helpful because you want the percentages, the number. If you choose this one, it's a bit good because it's telling you the married were 71, the single, those who were single were 20, those who were widowed, 3, and so on and so forth. If you want to become a bit complicated, then you can use other forms of pi. Pi is pi. You know, the main pi and the smaller pi, like 8 and the moon. Or you can have a bar of pi, where you put the main pi and then you put a subset, which is a bar. So that bar is going to give additional some categories of your sample. You have a 3D or a donut bar. Before you use the data, I have use some categories. Let's try the donut. So the donut pie, you simply choose the donut pie and then you choose the percentage. It also shows. So donut pie, I'm this morning thinking about donuts. So you can see the greater portion of the donut is 1% saying that the majority, and actually it's showing 31%. This is difficult, right? No. Not difficult. What we need is quality data. If you've got data which is well documented, you can easily plot these maps. So this is an example of the factors that we talked about. The procedure is the same. You have your data here, you highlight, you go to the set, then you pick this. And this is your bar. My bar is out of the zone. You can choose start this one on the middle. And then you can modify it the way you like. So instead will give you options. It will give you options, the ones that you like. So in terms of interpretation, what you're saying is those who were widowed, those that were widowed, which is 1. You can see because we are counting from 0 to 5, 10 spaces or units of 5, and 10, 15, 20, and 30. So widowed means 1. Divorced 2, and then remarried 25. Single, how many? 7. So that's the interpretation. You won't use the same data to plot the column. So the column is those that stand average. So we also choose the column that they are here. You can use this one to add a column. You can use the stacked column. You can use the 100% stacked column. And because of the form of data, you will not plot that. So I wanted to demonstrate those kind of charts. Now, we also have the line chart. So line charts are good at showing trends over time. Trends over time rather than static data points in your data set. So trends simply means a phenomenon that is continuous. It is keeping on occurring. So that one is a trend. So you can be studying the pattern of repetition in children in standard 1, children in standard 2, over a period 5 years, or 6 years, or 7 years. So if you are trying to establish pattern, trend, or even habit of how something is occurring, then the line charts are the best way to present your information. So they are most useful when it comes to trying to track trends. In terms of line charts, you're interested in seeing the lines connect each data point, showing how those values increase or decrease over a period of time. So line chart will have the data point connected by line. And that line, together with the data points, they will show either increase or decrease in the trend. So as usual, we've got the standard line chart, and then start line, 100% line is marked as the start line is marked as so on and so forth. So on and so forth. So those are examples. So line chart, the first one, on the far top left, that one is the standard one. It means you've got two variables that you are tracking. Or you need one variable and then you are tracking two groups. tracking two groups. And then we're trying to show how the trend has been over time. Okay, so for example, I'm studying, let's say, what are some of the things that we do together? Yeah, so let's say you are doing the same that we did. You're looking at two groups of students in terms of classes. And one is 2. And then you are trying to check the pattern of absenteeism. This is very, very good because it will tell you the Mariana, standard 1 and job of standard 2 are which is that. So if you look at right chapter, the dark group represents standard 2. That was our standard 2. The sky group, it was representing our standard 1 winners, right? So if you look at the standard 1 winners, absenteeism, what was the trend? Just the sky group. Follow the sky group line. No. Not high, not low. Those ones are important. But tell me the pattern, the trend. How was it happening? We are not absenteeism. Yeah, standard 1. Focus on the group, the sky group, yes. What is the trend, right? Okay. Disagree? You are lost. Where are you lost? You must be very lost. Okay, so line chart has been projected like this, using this information. So what we are saying is, it begins from here. Now, these numbers are telling us that as months or days increase, the number of absentees is also increasing. Let's just use that assumption. So from 0, if the line is starting from here, it means when it's day 0 or 1, there was no absenteeism. By day 10, they will, let's say 5. Maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10. So on day 10, you had 5 absentees. Okay? It means you done. Day number 20, you had how many? 20 absentees. So that line is going like this. Where it is dropping, it means as the days are continuing, the absenteeism is what? Dropping. You get it? Because we see, I don't know about this. For my days that are last day, I will need here. So our graph is like this. found those were lost. Okay. Alright? Now, focus on the induction. That one is standard 2. What is it telling you? About that we did. What is rotate? Yeah, that you don't look at the graph for us. No, the first one is still here. It's still here, but we're focusing on that one. That interpretation, I'm okay with that. However, I want to ask you one question. What can you notice about the first few days in terms of absenteeism of standard 1 pupils and standard 2 pupils? The first day. What can you notice? What is the difference? Under the 1 and under the 2, what can you comment about? What do you observe in terms of the difference? Just looking at those two graphs, the one for standard 1 and the one for standard 2. The first few days, is there any difference that you are observing?
Then from that day, but any time
Okay, yeah, so I agree with you. The notable difference in the first few days is that for standard 1, there were few learners. Actually, the first day there was no absenteeism at all. But as days went by, the number of learners being absent from school began to rise. And it reached a certain point where the height then it dropped. It began to drop. For standard 2 learners, from the very first day, almost maybe 20, were absent. And that absenteeism continued. At a certain point, it dropped. But it did not continue to drop. It started to rise again. Does that make sense? So basically, that is how Elijah will help us in terms of interpreting. And you can see we are looking at a certain pattern of how things will occur. So it depends on the type of data that you have. Is it trying to tell people about a certain trend, a certain pattern of how things work? You can use this thing for people who are doing geology, supposedly climate change. They will use graphs to explain how the pattern, the weather pattern has been changing over the years. Or there was another research that was talking about water levels in the now. So it tells people over the last 5 years the water levels have been dropping. So if you're looking at pattern, this is the best way to do it. And the best approach on the chart to use. So the next one is about start line chart. So here you don't want the chart to intersect. So you're just putting them on top of the eye. Still more you will show also the trend. The 100%, in other words, you will simply have your 100% line limit put somewhere, and then the class that you are focusing on is the one that you are going to measure again. So that's how you put it. That one, and then so that one is the 100% start. The goodness with line chart number 1 is that you are able to differentiate what is happening in standard 1 and what is happening in standard 2, and then you can come up with a story. For example, standard 1, like you say, absenteeism was not so common at first. But as the days went by, the absenteeism shot. Many leaders were not coming to school. And in standard 2, it shot, and the absenteeism was common from the very first day. Probably tells us that the children were in standard 1, towards the end, they were highly motivated to school. When they were going to standard 2, most of them did not even like it. But maybe parents pushed them and they started going, but many were still. So there was a drop. But at some point, both standard 1 learners and standard 2 learners, the absenteeism was at par. It was the same. Whilst as the days went by, we got standard 1 learners continuing, we also got standard 2 learners growing. And overall, standard 2 were not interested in school. And there was no change. Absenteeism continued. So when you use line charts that are intersecting, it gives you more meaning than using start and using 100% start. Row number 2 is easy because we are looking at the same chart and with a data point. You just put points. You just put markers. So those markers are easy because what you're doing is that you are tagging day there was a 0. The 10th day there were 10 bedrooms a month. Isn't it? Yeah. 10th day is a month. And then you have to move it. So we just but the measurements are the same. Okay, 3D. This one is just a 3D. In other words, it's just it's the way we're trying to make it good. But there's nothing additional in terms of data multiplication. So next week, Monday, what we want to do is I want you to bring it up. Monday. If you don't go on speed, if you don't have go on the field for just for 2 hours, then you change it. By the end of 2 hours, I'll do what you do. So I want us to practice coming up with the data and then plotting all these types of graphs that we are looking at, so that we don't just hear, but we also know how to do it. Because it's one thing for me to do it, the other thing for you also to do it. I want to stop here today. Okay. Any questions? So this topic we are dealing with how to organize and present data. And we are using Excel to do that. How we go? And